Hope you are doing well. We have again come up with a new announcement that added in the corporate Munim. This announcement is related to equipment maintenance form that have moved to the inventorial transaction under the process tab. Before it was in utility tab. As you have seen in our previous version, equipment maintenance form are visible to utility menu, but now we have moved inventorial transaction under process submenu. The main purpose of moving equipment maintenance are to create replica for this form. So to fulfill the requirement of replica, we have moved to the inventorial transaction. Now you can see we have created replica of breakdown indent. Just like you can create replica of preventive care recovery and other equipment related forms. Hope you have understood this announcement. If you have any doubt or query, you can call our customer support team. Thank you.